Hi, I'm Joanna from Up-to-Date Skills, and today I'm going to show you how to delete an inactive WordPress theme from your website. When you set up a WordPress website, you're given several theme options to choose from. Once you pick a theme and start customizing it, WordPress will mark it as the active theme, but it will keep all the other themes as well, unless you delete them yourself. To manage your themes, you have two options. You can either hover over here and click Themes, or you can go to your dashboard. Once your dashboard opens, navigate to the Appearance section and hit Themes. Here you will see all the themes installed on your website, and the active one will be marked active. As you can see, I'm using the Astra theme. It's marked as active, and I can customize it here. You might also spot other themes in your dashboard, like the ones I have here, 2025 and 2024. Since these aren't in use, I can go ahead and delete them. Deleting an inactive theme is simple. When you hover over the theme, you will only see the options Activate and Live Preview. But if you click on it, that will display the delete option. Then click delete and the theme will be removed from your website. If you ever want to bring it back though, you can just click here on Add New Theme. And then you can install it back again by choosing the option Install. Now, if I go back to my themes, I can see it here again. Doing that doesn't activate it, it just installs it. You are still not using it. So if you want to delete it again, you can just do so, okay? I'm going to delete it again. And let me just say this, if you decide not to delete inactive themes, remember that it's still important to keep them updated for security reasons. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the Up-to-Date Skills channel for more updates on new videos. Bye.